In this video, I'm going to be trading OTC currency pairs utilizing Heikin Ashi candles and support and resistance levels. Gus Schmidt here, and I'm back with another trading video. So today I'm going to be trading strictly price action, taking some 60-second binary trades on the pocket option platform. So what you see here is I have my OTC assets at the top of the chart here. If we click on our assets icon, I've checked off all the OTC assets so they can appear at the top of the chart here. I'm trading OTC because it's the weekend, and OTC assets are available to trade 24, 7 days a week on the pocket option platform, unlike the regular currency pairs. All right, so what I have here are, for my candlestick chart here, I have the candle set to 15 seconds, Heikin Ashi candles, right? And for my trade time, like I mentioned, I'm going to be taking 1 minute trades or 60-second trades. So I'm going to be looking at taking 60-second trades while looking at these 15-second Heikin Ashi candles. Okay, so what we're seeing here currently is we're on the Euro USD OTC pair, and there's a level of support here at this level. If you notice, this price hit several times, but it's not pushing below this level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for a green candle. Okay, so I just took a buy trade at this level because I'm anticipating a reversal. And this is the power of these Heikin Ashi candles. Uh, when there's a true reversal occurring, as I mentioned, I'm going to be trading these price reversals. So I'm looking for reversal trades at these levels of support and resistance. Right now, we're at a level of support here, a strong level of support. So I'm anticipating a bullish reversal over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry of this trade. Okay, so that trade was in the money here, right? So there was an actual bullish reversal. I waited for that green candle to print, that bullish green candle at the level of support here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and look for another setup, come back and take a. Okay, so I'm on the USD RUB OTC pair, and we're coming upon a level of support here. So I'm waiting for uh, the candle, the Heikin Ashi candle, to print green, signifying a reversal, a bullish reversal about to take place here. Okay, so we have one candle here. Uh, let's wait for at least another second candle. All right, here we go. All right, so I just took a buy trade here. Well, actually, all right, so a couple of buy trades at this level. Not exactly the price that I wanted to take it at, uh, but waited for the Heikin Ashi candles, two strong Heikin Ashi candles to print. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration at the end of the 60 seconds. Okay, so those trades were in the money. All right, so let me pause the video and see if I can find a optimal setup. Okay, so I'm on the USD COP, and we're coming upon a level of support here, over here at this range here. So this whole area here. So I'm waiting for uh, Heikin Ashi, a bullish Heikin Ashi candle, like at least two bullish Heikin Ashi candles to print. Then I'm gonna go ahead. Okay. So I just took a buy trade at this level, waited for those Heikin Ashi candles to print, signifying a bullish reversal here from this support level over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration at the end of the 60 seconds. Oh, okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, let me pause the video, look for the next trade setup. Okay, so I'm on the USD SGD OTC pair, and I've come across a level of support here. So I'm waiting for the, okay, here's a couple of bearish, bullish Heikin Ashi candles that just printed here. So waited for these two Heikin Ashi, these green Heikin Ashi candles to print. Then I took the buy trade, or a long trade here. So I'm anticipating a bullish reversal here over the next 60 seconds. Waited for, for the price to hit this level of support first. Then you wait for the candles, the Heikin Ashi candles to print, then take the trade. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, let me pause the video, look for a next trade setup. All right, so I'm on USD PHP. I think we're coming upon a level of resistance here. So I'm going to wait for, some strong bearish Heikin Ashi candles to print at this level. The price is trying to push past this general level here. So let's wait for a couple of bearish candles to print. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a sell. Uh, all right, here we go. All right, so I took a short, a 60-second short here, expecting a reversal from this resistance level here. Okay, so that trade was in the money. So I'm going to end the trading session here. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share the video with your friends and colleagues. I've only been risking about 5% of my capital here on each trade. Uh, If you like the video, once again, please give it a thumbs up. Gus Schmidt, price action trading strategy using Heikin Ashi candles and support and resistance levels. And I'll see you in the next video.